Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. In a previous video, we explored how balance supports the body. Today, we'll return to those same 5 expressions, this time through the lens of disease. If you're interested, I've created a beautiful free companion guide to go along with this video. It's available inside the free to join Fruitiful Soul Society. So if you want to, go grab that, and when you're ready, let's begin. The body runs on a quiet force, steady, constant, alive. It adapts, it protects, it does what it must to keep you whole. Each day that force has limits. It can be drained, but it never stops working. It moves you toward healing. And as we explore the 5 expressions of balance, let's keep this force in mind. Balance is fluid motion. The body is always in motion, even in stillness. It shifts, muscles lengthen, joints absorb force, breath adjust. Motion keeps us steady, so long as it's supported. But when the body moves without pause, it begins to brace. The gait changes, the muscles tighten. Breath shortens. What's once flowed becomes effortful. This is not collapse, it's conservation. Disease arises when the body can no longer restore what is spent, when movement becomes survival, not renewal. Rhythms shape all things. The body thrives in rhythm: breath, sleep, hormones, digestion. These cycles give structure. They regulate the nervous system, support repair, and restore energy. But under pressure, rhythm falters, digestion slows, sleep thins, hormones shift, waste builds, and the body stays alert. When the body keeps going without time to recover, it uses more energy than it saves. What can't be cleared begins to accumulate, and disease begins, not as chaos, but as the cost of interrupted rhythm. Adaptation creates stability. The body adjusts to survive. Muscles carry new loads, posture compensates, breath shortens, the jaw tightens. These are not flaws, they're temporary solutions. But held too long, the body reshapes around them. A shoulder freezes, a hip stiffens, the spine twists. Disease is not failure. It's the body doing too much too long without relief. The unseen sustains life. Balance is shaped by what we don't see. Even in imbalance, the body adapts. It reroutes, compensates, and holds on. Beneath the surface, signals are always moving: nerve impulses, hormones, immune shifts, responding to pressure, memory, and internal demand. But when the body is burdened beyond its capacity to clear, what cannot be released begins to build. This is the root of disease, not dysfunction, but accumulation, not failure, but the body working as it should under unnatural strain. Fever, fatigue, inflammation, these are not flaws. They are signs of release, the body letting go of what it doesn't belong. The disease does not begin in chaos. It begins in the unseen, when balance is lost and the burden grows. Limits keep systems in harmony. The body runs on thresholds: pressure, time, energy, load. It also runs on biological limits: a species-specific diet, clean water, sunlight, rest, and rhythm. Each day brings a finite supply of energy. When spent on stimulants, stress, or unnatural input, little remains for healing. Disease begins when the pause never comes, when the body lives beyond its design. To restore balance, we must respect what the body needs. Food it recognizes, rest it trusts, rhythms it remembers. This is not restriction, it is reverence. So pause for a moment and take a deep breath and ask yourself, where have I lost rhythm? What part of me is working too hard to keep balance? Where can I soften, pause, or realign? Balance isn't built through control. It's restored through trust, through rhythm, through rest, through remembering how to move with, not against, your body. So take another deep breath and begin again in balance. And remember, there's more. If you haven't got it yet, the companion guide is still waiting. It's filled with prompts and reflections to take this deeper. You'll find it inside the Free to Join Fruitiful Soul Society. Just click the link in the description. Next, we'll explore the body's design and the role food plays in how we thrive. If this message moved you, drop a heart, leave a word, let me know you're here. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.